everyone, it's Mermaids Creative Channel and it's me, Avni. Today we're gonna make veggie sandwich. It's really yummy, and do watch the video till the end, like and subscribe. So let me tell you the ingredients you need. So I'm using bread. It's 100% whole wheat bread, and I have some melted butter here. I have some cheese. I have this spices like all mixed up. It's chaat masala, white salt, black salt, and black pepper. Okay, I have tomatoes and I already chopped them. I have tomatoes, onions, I have bell pepper, I have potato. This is boiled potato. I have some cucumber, and I have a chili just in case you like something spicy. Okay, so now we are going to put this bread into the toaster. So that when we put the veggies on, it doesn't get soggy. So let's put it. Okay, so if you need to check how it's ready, then you can see it kind of brownish. So mine looks brown enough. So I'm just going to take the bread, and remember to take out the plug. No. Okay, so now I'm going to put some onion. Okay, so before that, we are going to put some butter on the soft side. So, some butter on one side, and then okay, so I got some butter on. Now I'm going to flip this over, and on the crunchy side, I'm gonna put some onion. Okay, so I'm gonna put the onions. Okay. So I'm done with the onions. Now I'm gonna put some cucumbers. Okay, so I'm done with the cucumbers. Now I'm gonna add potato. Okay, now I'm gonna add some tomato and this. And then I'm gonna add the mix. So I took the mix. I'm gonna Okay, so now I'm gonna put some cheese on it. I sprinkled some cheese, and now I'm going to put the plug. So now I'm going to put the bread. Watch out for your hand. And remember, the soft side comes up. Okay, now I'm going to close it. And the sandwich gonna get ready in a little bit, in a while. Okay, so now when you know it's ready, the soft side is also gonna be crispy like the other side. So now I'm gonna take the, so be careful with your hands. So no, take it with this. So it was not cooked properly the time I took it out. So now it's proper. And you can have tomato ketchup and green chutney with this. So ta-da, we're ready with our veggie sandwich, a healthy and yummy sandwich breakfast. Bye, see you in our next video. Please subscribe and like this video. I hope you like it.